Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Easy Tech Media. So today what we are going to be building is we're going to be using PageFly page builder to build an about us page. So right now we are in our Shopify admin dashboard. So if you look on your left, you will see under the apps we have PageFly pinned to our navigation bar. So what you do is click on PageFly page builder and let it load up. So to follow my steps, you need to install PageFly into your Shopify store. If you go to my previous tutorial, you would see the video there. So now we're on PageFly. So just move to the pages section. So what do we want to do? Currently, we have a page published. We're going to build another page, which is our About Us page. Click on the option Create. We have two options here. We can import a template, you can export a template, you can create from a pre-built template, then you can also create blank page. So we are going to use the blank page and we're going to use the regular page type. So click on regular. Our page editor is loaded now we have our blank canvas. So the first thing we're going to do, I've already explained the whole usage of all these icons you see on the left here. Just click on the element icon. The first thing we're going to do, we are going to drag in a two column layout. Under the layout section, just drag in a two column layout to your page. We have that. So go back to elements. What we need now is a heading element. Click on it. So choose the single um, text layout, the text without an icon. Drag it into your section. Okay. Then the next thing we are going to do, go back to the elements. What we need now is a paragraph. So we are going to use this one, drag it directly under the header. Okay, on the right here, we are going to use image element on the right column. You remember we are using a two column row element. That's the layout we are using. So just we are on the elements, look for media, drag in the image element. We are going to use this one, drag it in there. So we are going to select an image. So right in the click on the general tab, you see the option here, select image. Okay, we already have the image uploaded into our store. So I click on add image. I'm going to select from our computer. Okay, let's select this one. Okay, so let's select the image and click on done to ensure that the image is saved into our page. So for the what you do now, click on the entire section because we're going to give our image a background, our section a background color. So when you select the entire section, just go to styling, then scroll down. Okay, right here you see the background color. I click on it. So we are going to select a blue color. Just look for the color that suits your need. Okay, this color is looking nice. So you can keep this hexadecimal color somewhere because we're going to use it for consistency. Okay, now we're going to change the text color. Select white. So let's change the text size. Or let me first of all change the color for the the paragraph. Select white. Okay, let's select this one. So what we're going to do now, we're going to change the typography. Let's go down to where you have typography. Now it's on inter sans serif. Find something else that suits your need. You can also take note, you can also import fonts by clicking on this. You click on search Google fonts. You can search Google font. Let's try this one. Click on done. Let's try that again. We have some Google fonts here. So let's see. You have the option of uploading fonts. Let's assume you have uploaded some fonts into your store. You can use them. Just click on go to upload fonts. It will take you to where you want. So let's leave that alone. So click here. Let's check for some other fonts that might suit our need. Let's try this one. Let's check this one. This is looking nice. Let's check the other one that we picked. Okay, this is also looking nice. Okay, so concerning the font size, let's reduce our font size since we have more text. Let's reduce it to, let's see. Okay, let's keep it this way. So let's do this also. Let's increase the font size. Okay, okay. So that's 20. Let's just put it at 20. Okay, so let's change the font family. Let's for consistency. Let's pick this one also. Okay. So now what we'll do is let's select the entire section. Select the entire section. Okay, so what you do is click on the entire section, go to the styling tab, then under layout, look for the layout. Ensure the entire section is clicked. Under layout, let's look for layout. Okay, let's have it here. Under layout, let's use fill container. Under content with fill container. Okay, so let's go to align items center. Okay, so under horizontal gap, let's make it 0 0. Okay, then let's go to padding. Let's also make it 0. Just to do it once for all corners, just make it 0 at this point, so that way we are able to put our image wide. So let's go to the image itself. Let's check if there's some padding on the image. Okay, 0. Okay, so this is looking fair. Let's align item center. Okay, let's do the same for this. Align item center. Okay, and also right here, reduce the gap in between the two elements. Make it 8 px. Okay, for this one, Let's adjust the for this paragraph text. Select it, then go to styling and unbold it. Let's see. Oh, okay. Okay, it's okay like this. Okay, I think this is fine. And if you don't want this text, we can always choose some other text for the paragraph. Let's check. Let's go to typography. Under styling, look for typography. Okay, let's change this one. Let's look for something. Okay, this is looking better. So let's add our text for the typography. So let's replace the text. Go to general. This is what we have. Double click to highlight everything. Okay, we have replaced the text. I think this is looking good. We're done with this section. What we need to do, let's drag in um let's go to the elements and then let's drag in under layouts, look for layouts, under layouts, drag in a blank section, drag it in directly under this section. Okay, okay, so what you do next is look for an HTML liquid element. So under click on elements, look for basic section. This is basic section, this is HTML liquid. Drag that in, drag it in here, ensure it's clicked. Now go to open under general tab, go to open code editor. We're trying to create a macro element, then we're going to paste in our code here. Sorry, I have not updated my video with this code, but please just give me some time. I'll update my code so you can have this I'll update my the video description so you can have this code available to you in case by the time you're watching this video it's not available yet. I apologize for that. Just to save time, I had not done it initially, so I'll still do that, please. It okay, then click on done. Okay, this is our text right here. So we're not done yet. We're also going to paste the CSS for this code. So you scroll down, see this custom code editor, click on it. So we already have, okay, we're going to input CSS for it now. So let me go copy the CSS. So just copy from this place here, this dot macquee, down to where you have your the ending of the curly braces. So this point here, you can see the animation right now. So take note, you can always let's click on save. You can always change your text. Okay. And something I forgot to do was that let me click on this. Okay. To make it full width. So under styling, you click on the entire section. Uh, then under styling, uh, go to layout. Under content width, select fill container. So one more thing I'm looking at we can do here, just go to padding while the whole section is selected. You see we have um 24 on the left. So let's change that to 0. 0 on the left and 0 on the right. Let's see if that will work for us. Okay, you can see now it's full width. Okay, let's save our changes. Good. You can also give your background a color if you choose to. So let's move to the next section. So what we do, the next section we are building is kind of similar to this one we've already created. So what you do here is just you can duplicate a section. You have it duplicated. Sorry, that was a mistake. Let me undo this. As your undo button. Just click on this first section. Good, I wanted to select. Okay, good. Select the right place instead of block. We're going to select the entire section, flex section, then click on duplicate. See that has been duplicated. So you're going to drag this down after this McQueen. Good. What we're going to do first of all, click on have the entire section selected, then go to styling, go to layouts, look for layout section. Um, under layout, you see layout here. Under direction, okay. I think this is what we need. Reverse order. You understand? We have it on. If you look at it, we're under direction. We have it on horizontal. This is an horizontal layout. We have the text on the left and the image on the right, horizontally aligned by each other side. So under reverse order, just toggle this and you see the content swap. So what we need to do here is just to replace the image. Click on the image, go to general, change the image, select yes, change image, change image. Select from library. We don't have the image in the library, so we're gonna add it from our computer. Let me see. Let's use the wristwatch. Let's use the wristwatch. Okay, select the wristwatch now. So we're gonna adjust this wristwatch because it's on full width. We're gonna adjust the size. So just select it, then go to. Okay, click on done to save your image. Okay, go to styling. Okay, ensure the image is selected. And let's check. Okay, let's click on the entire section first of all. Let me check that. Entire section. Um, let's create some padding to make it look different. Let's do 50. Okay, for this one, let's create some margin so that the text can squash up a bit on that margin. Put left, make it 40 on the left and 40 on the right. Okay, yeah, but for this image, I want to see how we can adjust the image. I think this is looking okay. Okay, so we're going to create another section. Okay, for this one, let's create another section. Let's duplicate this, or let's use this one. Let's duplicate this one. Ensure the flex section is selected, so the other entire section is selected, and you duplicate it. Okay, so this time around, let's remove the background color. You can just change it to, oh sorry, um, look for background color. This is content color, background color. select it. Let's put it on white. Okay, let's change the color of the text. Okay, let's work on the background color first because I need to change the color of the text. Select it. Let's change the background color to something like this. Okay, then let's select the text and change the text to, let's go and copy our text color for consistency, just like I told you. This is our text color. So it's going to be similar color to our background to keep our global style, or let's say brand color, consistent. Let's go to, okay, so content color, go to content color, change it, input this. Okay, do the same for our text here. Go to content color, do this, then select the entire section, then change the background color to white. Okay, then let's select the image. Let's change the image. Click on general. Let's see, change image. Select from library. We don't have it in library. Now let's, what are we going to pick? Let's take this eyeglass. It's loading up. Good. Um, so let's change the text. Oh, sorry. I meant to click on done to have my image. That's one mistake you shouldn't do. So once you select your image, click on done to ensure the image is saved. Okay. Okay, now let's change the text of our header and paragraph. Just go to elements, um, go to layout, excuse me, go to layout, for layouts, uh, okay, click on layout. Let's use two column layouts here. Okay, so we have that selected. So yeah, let's drag in, let's see, let me see what we can drag in on the left. Let's see if we can use a, I don't have a video element, a video. Let me see. Okay, so let's check on that media. Let's go to elements. Let's look under media. Okay, let's drag in a YouTube video element on the left. But let's use it on the right. Okay, so once you do that, under styling, let's check general. Under general, you see it here. Just paste in your video, the video, and that's it. That's how to use add a video into your page using a YouTube URL. So on the right, what we do here, um, let's just bring in a text. Go to elements, drag in um, a heading element, click on it. Sorry, heading element. Let's use this one. Well, let me just show you this one, just to show you can use a heading with text. Sorry, an heading with icon. Let's drag in a paragraph there. Click on elements, select paragraph, drag it in directly under this. Good. Now let's drag in a button element. Let's look for a button element. Let me search for it here. It's a button element. Okay. Let's use let's use this one with icon. Then let's click on this and change it back to just text only. Okay, that's better. So let's add text to our header. Copy style. Click on this, paste the style, set. Okay, let's do the same here for the paragraph. To make your work fast, and copy style and paste it. See how let's see, let me get my text. You see how PageFly is so easy to use, very user friendly. Let's give it to our button. Click on styling, go to content color, paste it in here. No, sorry. That's what we need to do is background color. Go to background color, click on it, paste it in here. Yeah. So for the icon, I want to move the icon direction. Let's click on the icon and see. Let me click on general. See if it's icon type product. You can change the type of your button. Product add to cart, product view details button, and all that. Text only or text with icon. Icon only or text with icon or text only. Okay, icon position. This is what I'm looking for. Display. So we are going to take it to the right. Then we are going to change our icon. Okay, click on the icon itself. Then yes, select the icon. Let's use the arrow. Okay, then click on done. I think that is better. So click on the button. Let's work on the padding, or let's work on the button text. Let's click on the button text. See if you can adjust this font size. Okay, 22 is fine. Uh, let's click on the yeah, we're on the button right now. So you can also select your click action. So you go to URL pop-up, scroll to section, send email. Okay. This is the border style. If you want to give the border style, okay, let's click on more. This is the border radius. Let's put 20. Okay, that's looking good. And let's do some padding. Let's do some padding. Let's see if we can make our button bigger. Okay, let's do padding 20 at the top, 20 at the bottom. Okay, that's looking better. So let's select this entire section. Then let's go to layout, align items center, which is looking better. Then select the entire section itself and do align items also. Let's see. Um, okay, align items center. Good. So this is looking better now. This is looking better. For this GoPro, let's see if we can reduce the text a bit. Let's see if that will look better. Let's say 80. Let's use a slider. 80. Let's leave it at that. Let me just do it here. Okay. So it's looking good. So our last section will be customer form section. So it's just gonna be like this one we have used here. It'll be like this one. So let's duplicate this one and drag it down. Just duplicate it and drag it down. You click on this where you have a grid like icon here. Drag it down to the bottom. Down, down, down. Come on, go down now. Okay. Keep going, keep going. Okay. Ensure it's here. Okay. Let's put it there. Okay, we have it there right now. Okay. So what we do is we're going to reduce the size, this font size here. Okay. And we're going to change the text. Let's go to our okay, that's better. So now let's bring in um, an element from Shopify. Then PageFly has this feature which is very awesome. Just click on this. You can go and bring out any element you want from Shopify, which is really really awesome. Let's click on customer form. And let's take this one. Make sure you drag it in here inside the block. Good. You don't understand. But anyways, this is just the idea of what we want to do. Let's change this image. Let's change this image. Go to general, change image, select from library. We don't have it in library. Add image. Let's look for something else. Let's see. Let's try this one. Content color, background color. Let's change it to white, like the rest of them. Okay, something we should do before we round up this video. Our mobile view. Let's if you look at it now, you see it's squashed up here. Okay, and it's horizontal here. Let me see. Yeah, it's horizontal here. Let's just reduce the. It's vertical here rather. Let's reduce the text size of the header. Let's make it way smaller. Settings. line height. Okay, just need to reduce the line height and make it 55. Okay, text size, make it 16. Okay, it's looking good. For this one, uh, let's work on the padding, or let me check on padding. Let's make it 5 at the top, 5 at the bottom. It's looking better now. And for this one, okay, let's reduce this also. Let me see what size this is. 41, and this is 16. Let me make this 14. 14. This is better. And this one too. Let's make it 41. 40. Oh, 41. Then let me just copy the style. Mobile view. Let me copy the style instead of repeating. That should be faster for us. Okay. I'll paste it here. Okay. Now for this one, let me see what I can do about the is it the padding? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. 280. Um, okay, this is awesome. We can adjust it here. But let me see if it's the margin that we need to work on. Let me undo that. Let me see the margin. How's zero? Let me click on this section. Maybe there's this. Okay, this is the issue. Let me change it to 20 on the left and 20 on the right, so we have more space for our text. Okay, our text has been able to move some distance now. Okay, and this let's see the horizontal gap. So this image, let's see. Okay, this is looking better. Okay, save changes. Check this too. 20. So this is better. Save changes. Publish. So that's it. So this is our design right here. Our cursor looking good. Mm, watch GoPro template. Value your feedback. Yeah, please, if this video was helpful to you, please do well to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.